Peter Stone. Weight goes a little bit. Hook there just for balance. Kind of more putting that right foot out for balance than anything.
Okay.
So this is that bringing my hips in,
Okay.
that kind of gas pedal. Works great when you have the high feet. And flag with my hands too.
Okay.
I can almost do like a little drop knee here. Stay balanced. Staying super smooth and in control is kind of the name of the game.
Hence why I fail.
Really thinking about hanging on that pinky.
Okay.
Rather than gripping the hell out of it.
My shoulders kind of, you know, can rotate in opposite directions to facilitate that straight arm.
Oh yeah.
Instead of staying square, so I'm staying squared up, I'm still using like shoulder, and maybe a little bit of bicep. feeling. And you can, you know, do little moves like this to like reset your feet.
Okay.
You know, pressing on the wall
Uh-huh.
is super helpful. Raking those tools around because I get amnesia.
Got some secondary points. Nice.
Uh-huh.
So quiet. I was a DJ over there scratching the record.
Cool. You can take.